This is my son's 81 short box Chevy. Got the fire extinguisher. We built a custom center console for the stereo. Do something a little different with it. We're going to do the door panels here sometime. Convert this over to black interior with buckets. Me and my son also built this. We have a 12-inch kicker with a small amp just to provide some boom in here. Little winter project. The truck has been lowered. Has drop spindles, but has not been C-notched or anything. So it's a little bit of a rough ride, but it looks good. The color is 97 Corvette Torch Red. Only has a few spots on it that need to be taken care of. The inside of the bed is spotless. Been very well taken care of. He built this little wood frame back here so that when we have the chairs or anything in the back of it, they don't slide around. The paint is really nice on this. It's set out for some time, and we buffed it out and got the shine back on it. The motor, this is kind of odd, is a 455 Olds motor. The guy that built this wanted something a little different, and he got it. And the torque from this big block is pretty good. It's fun to drive, very fun to drive. Has a turbo 400 trans in it, 12 bolt posi rear end, or 12 bolt rear end, not posi, and is a lot of fun. Has a nice little rumble to it with dual exhaust. Sounds really good, but it's all in all a clean truck. The underneath is really nice. It's been pretty well taken care of. But it's a good starter project for my son. He likes to do the car shows with Dad, and he's got him a nice little project. A whole lot of work can go into this. They're never done. But all in all, a pretty good looking truck.